Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to problem class MCQ question. Here, question number 39. An electron having mass 9.1 in 10 to the minus 31 kg is projected along the positive x-axis with initial speed of 3 into 10 to the 6 meter per second. It goes 0.45 meter and stops due to a uniform electric field in the region. Find the magnitude and direction of field. Listen, suppose this is the x-axis. Suppose the origin, this is the origin. Listen, this is negative x-axis, this is the positive x-axis. The negative x-axis. An electron, one electron is projected in this direction, positive x-axis. U initial velocity is what? 3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. It goes 0.45 meter. Suppose this is the starting position A. Suppose a electron is moved up to this B. Your distance is how much? 0.45 meter. Listen. So, and stops due to uniform electric field. That means whenever electron will reach at B, then electron starts to stop at B due to applying of opposing force. That means whenever electron will reach at this point, then electrostatic force act on this direction. Electrostatic force act on this direction. So that's why electron stops due to uniform electric field. That means whenever electron, we know already, when force act on the electron inside the electric field. Whenever electric field, suppose electric field here in this direction, whenever electron is present, then force act on this electron is in this direction. Whenever proton is here, then force is act on this proton in direction of electric field, same direction. Whenever electron is placed, then opposite direction with electric field. That means whenever electron is placed inside the electric field, then electric field in this direction, rightward direction, force is opposite direction, leftward direction. Similarly, here whenever electron at point B stops, that means opposing force applied on the electron in which direction? Leftward direction. That means electron, whenever force act on this electron is leftward direction. That means electric field is properly is rightward direction. That means already answer is find out. You have find the direction of electric field is what? In this direction, positive direction. That means direction of here we find direction of electric field. Direction of electric field is positive x-axis. That means field is in this direction. Force is in this direction. That means electron. Then field is in this direction. We have already known. That means one answer is already find out. The direction of field is positive x-axis. Only remaining you have to find the magnitude of electric field. Yes or no? Magnitude of electric field. That means whenever force, if you will find value of force, then you will find value of electric field. That means Fe we have already known. Fe is equal to QE. Q means charge of electron. That means 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 into E. Whenever Fe is given, then E already you have to find. So how to calculate electrostatic force Fe? How to calculate electrostatic force Fe? Here, but whenever electron is initial velocity u, that means mass is given. Whenever one body is start to move, then it occurs force. That force is equal to ma due to Newton's second law. So we have already known. We know here you can write. We know force. We know electron move from A to B. It occurs. Force occurs. That means due force occurs means the such force is the Newton force. Yes or no? So you have already find out. You have already known about question. So that's why I remove this question. Yes or no? F is equal to ma. M is what? M is 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. But acceleration, you have not value of acceleration, but you have to calculate value of acceleration. Acceleration कितना होगा? U मालूम है. U इधर मालूम है. But here, whenever electron stop at the B, that means B final velocity is 0. That means your equation of motion is what? V square minus U square is equal to 2as. V is equal to 0. U square, U मालूम है 3 into 10 to the power 6 square 2 into a s. कितना डिस्टेंस जा रहा है? 0.45 meter. But here acceleration value is whenever body here u is 3 into 10 to the power 6, but here velocity is 0. That means it occurs retardation. Retardation means A is retardation. You have to know the acceleration is positive or negative. Here acceleration is positive because body initially motionized and after some distance it stops. That means velocity is 0. That means you had some initial velocity is some amount, but final velocity is 0. That means it occurs retardation. So value of acceleration is minus a. So minus cancel. A is what? A is 3 into 10 to the power 6 square 9 into 10 to the power 12 divided by 2 into 4.59 0.9. Cancel each other at 10 to the power 30 meter per second square. This one. Here A is find out. So M is what? F is equal to MA. M is मालूम है 1.1 into 10 to the minus 31 into A. A is what? 10 to the power 30. So 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 18 Newton. So at this point, direction of force of electron is this. But whenever body stop, whenever electrostatic force is opposed to the applied force, yes or no? whenever force of electron is this, that means when electron stops, whenever this force is opposed to electrostatic force, then at that time the electron occurs stops. That means velocity of electron is 0. That means this force is equal to this force. That means neutralization. That means velocity of electron is 0. So that means due to question, according to question, you have to write according to question F is equal to Q is that means F is equal to F is equal to find out (9.1 into 10 to the minus 18 is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 into 2 is equal to 100. You have to find it. Listen, this is the answer of 39 question. Then solve next question 40. Here question number 40. A charge of 16 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb is fixed at the origin of coordinates. A second charge of unknown magnitude is placed at a point 30, and a third charge of 12 into 10 to the minus 9 coulomb is placed at a point 60. To stop, find the magnitude of the unknown charge if resultant field at a point 80 is 20.25 Newton per coulomb directed to the right. So you can draw. Suppose this is the origin. This is the origin. A charge is this at this point origin. Suppose origin named as Q0 is that means Q0 is the charge at origin. Value is what? 16 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Listen. Suppose 30 point उधर होगा, ठीक है ना? X axis y value is 0, but the x value increases, so 0, 30. Similarly, this distance, and this is the 60, 30, then 60, then 80.80. This one 0, 0, 30, 60, 80. This one here. Suppose this is the 0. Suppose this is the Q1. At point 30, question asks a second charge of unknown magnitude is placed at 30. That means suppose second charge, origin is at origin charge is Q1. Yes or no? Second charge Q2 you have to find. Yes or no? But third charge Q3 is given. कितना है? 12 into 10 to the power minus 9 kilo. Yes or no? 60. What is the magnitude of the unknown charge? That means Q2 you have to find Q2. What is the magnitude of unknown charge if the resultant field at a point 80 is 20.25 directed to the right? That means at this point electric field direction is rightward direction. Yes or no? Here you have to find at this point charge is available. That means due to first charge electric field is what? Due to second charge electric field is what? due to Q3 electric field is what? Listen here. Here you have to write due to, this is the positive charge. Positive charge means electric field is direction. Due to Q1 field is E1. Suppose E1 direction कोड को ये सुन. So कल E1 कितना होगा? E1 बीटा Q by R square. ये सुन, बीटा 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q. This is the positive charge. That means positive charge, due to positive charge, electric field is outward direction at this point. Then E1 is due to Q1, field is E1. Then E1 is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into charge is कितना है? 16 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by R. 0080. Distance है 8. So 8 square. Listen. Similarly, E2. Q2 तो मालूम नहीं है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्ज मालूम नहीं है, इसको छोड़ दो. Q3 में बारे में समझो. ड्यू टू Q3 field is E3. Field is E3. Listen. So E3 is what? This is also positive charge. That means E3 is direction of E3 is in this direction. Listen. So E3 is what? 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 12 into 10 to the power minus 19. Sorry, 9. 19 ठीक अच्छी. Divided by, यहाँ पे यहाँ कितने दूर है? 6080. डिस्टेंस 2 मीटर है. So 2 square. Listen. So here you can write here E1, E3. Suppose Q2 is positive charge. That means due to Q2 field is E2. Yes or no? This is the point 80. This point. E1 direction is in this direction. E2 direction is in this direction. E3 direction is in this direction. If resultant field E1 plus E2 plus E3. Listen. So resultant field according to question, resultant field is कितना है? वो है 20.25 इक्वल E1 कितना है? 9 इंटू वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 9 इंटू 16 इंटू 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 64 plus E2 plus E3. E3 कितना है? 9 into 12 into divided by 4. This one. So you can write E2 divided by कितना होगा? 4. This one. So 9 into 10 to the power minus 10 by 4 plus 9 into 12 by 4 जो होगा चलेगा. Suppose question will come in your mind. Question will come in your mind that if the value of q2 is negative, value of q2 is negative, if q2 is negative, E2, this is the 0, E1, this is the E3, E2, value of direction of E2 is in this direction. So net electric field E is equal to E1 plus E3 minus E2. So E2 will be find out E1 plus E3 minus. Answer will same. This is the value of magnitude, this is the value of magnitude is same, but opposite side. This will be if the value of this electric field is positive, here the value of electric field magnitude same, but opposite plate. If value of electric field is positive, then here value of electric field is negative. Magnitude same, but sign is opposite. Yes or no? So this is the answer of what? 40. Then next question. Example Esrarla books, example 65. Here two circle are there, two sphere are there. This is the sphere having center 0, 0, 0. This is also sphere. This sphere is named as S. Sphere S sphere is center 2, 0, 0. That means यहाँ पे दूर है 2 मीटर और 2 सेंटीमीटर. अगर you have to calculate in meter, then इधर डिस्टेंस 2 मीटर है. ये सुन. So यहाँ पे ये this center distance between two centers are 2. ये सुन. So and also given this sphere is radius is √2. ये सुन. And here in your figure this distance is given 1 meter. Yes or no? This is also 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. This is the square. Yes or no? So here two spherical caps available. One is PSQ. PSQ means this. Another is PRQ. PRQ means this. PWQ. PWQ means PWQ. Yes or no? The next PTQ. PTQ the flat cap, spherical flat cap. This is the flat PTQ. Yes or no? Question asks sign of the flux through each of the surface. Each of the surface means one surface, second surface, first surface, second surface, third surface, fourth surface. Sign of the flux through each of the surface I to IP. I to IP. Yes or no? Here you have already known. The flux. We have already known PSQ. First bit PSQ. Suppose first graph PSQ. PS curve is this. PS curve. Suppose charge is your positive charge. Suppose charge due to charge. Field is this direction. Suppose this direction. Field is this direction. Suppose. Yes, sir. So the normal, the area vector direction of area is what? This is the surface. Area vector is this direction. Area vector, because surface to 90 degree. Area vector DS direction. DS vector this direction. But DSE, this is the surface. This is the field is entering. Yes or no? This called PSQ. That means this is the entering. E field of direction is E entering. The DSE angle between DSE is greater than 90 degree. That means phi is equal to integration of E ds cos theta. Whenever theta greater than 90 degree, then value of flux, the value of negative. So flux is negative. Flux is negative. That means whenever PSQ cap, the electric field is entering. Yes or no? We have already known in entering the flux is always negative. The entering, yes or no? Entering, the flux is negative. Yes or no? So sign of flux through each of surface. First PSQ spherical cap flux is negative. Similarly, second bit PRQ कितना है? PRQ means the flux. Suppose flux, the leaving flux here, leaving is the entering, this is the leaving. Leaving means, suppose this point, this surface, direction of area vector is this direction. So this direction is the electric field. So electric field, this is the electric field, this is the area vector. Angle is this, that means here theta less than 90 degree. So here flux is integration of E ds cos theta. Theta is less than 90 degree, that means positive flux. Whenever leaving, first bit PSQ caps entering, second bit whenever electric field leaving to the surface, leaving from this surface, then flux is positive. Entering, flux is negative. Leaving, flux is positive. Whenever leaving, angle between EDS is less than 90 degree. Whenever entering, the angle between EDS is greater than 90 degree. So that's why in entering, flux is negative. Leaving, flux is positive. Similarly, third bit, थर्ड कैप क्या है? PWQ वो वाला ये है PWQ. This is also DS, this is also E. Angle between theta is less than 90 degree, so flux is positive. Yes or no? So then third bit is over. Then PTQ, this curve, and charge is here. Suppose charge field here, at this point direction is this direction, normal, this direction. Yes or no? The angle between is less than 90 degree. Angle between E and DS is less than 90 degree, so flux is positive. Here the sign of flux through each of the surface, only PSQ flux is negative and rest is flux is positive. Rest is positive. I is positive, negative, then rest, second bit, third bit, IV is always positive. First bit PSQ caps is negative and PRQ, PWQ, PTQ is positive flux. Yes or no? Then next question. What is the relation between magnitude of flux through the I to IV? We have already known defined definition of flux. The lines of force or field links to the surface normal, जो 90 डिग्री में जो जाएगा उसको फ्लक्स बोलती है. और अल्टरनेटिव डेफिनेशन आपको मालूम होगा कि फ्लक्स क्या है. तो अमाउंट ऑफ लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स passing through the amount of lines of force or amount of electric field linked to the surface, that is called flux. Listen, suppose charge here PSQ, PRQ, PTQ, PWQ. Suppose this is the suppose This is the electric field. Suppose the charge, this is the electric field. ये सुन lines of force, उसको वहाँ हम भी electric field बोल सकते हैं. Here, suppose the total lines of force 4. Total lines of force total is 4. PSQ lines of force, कितने lines of force? Number of lines of force crossing through the PSQ 4. Similarly, PRQ total lines of force crossing through the PRQ 4. PTQ total lines of force crossing through the PTQ 4. PWQ total lines of force crossing through the PWQ 4. That means the amount of lines of force is constant. That means flux linked to the PSQ, PRQ, PWQ, PTQ is always constant, same. That means flux PSQ is equal to flux PRQ is equal to flux PWQ is equal to flux PTQ. Listen, this is the relation. Listen, or another concept you have already known. Here lines of force constant, but यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कम है, यहाँ पे ज्यादा कम है, सॉरी यहाँ पे कम है, उसका ज्यादा यहाँ पे है. That means electric field at this point is greater than this point and greater than this point. Listen, but we have already known phi is equal to E ds cos theta. Cos theta suppose the 0. Whenever here the electric field कम, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कम हो जाता है, बट एरिया सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा हो रहा है, बहुत एरिया ज्यादा हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पे एरिया इज इंक्रीजेस, फील्ड इज डिक्रीजेस. दैट इज द वैल्यू इज, सपोज वैल्यू इज एनी नंबर. ये सुन, सपोज दिस इज द PWQ. In PRQ